My brother taught me how to make a paper airplane. Want to see?
Yeah, I want to try too.
Gotta fold it.
Okay. And then like this.
Sure.
And like this. And then a triangle.
Yeah.
And then I think I'm ready.
Okay, let's go try.
Let's go. Can we make something else by folding paper? How about origami?
I don't know how. I want to learn origami.
What's your favorite animal?
I have a pet cat. I want to pet her and hold her and squeeze her.
Oh, I want a cat too. I know someone who can help.
Hey everyone, I'm Ori, and today we're going to make an origami cat for our friend Mr. Alien. Let's open the craft set and take out our gray cat sheet of paper. Our first step is to fold the paper in half to make a rectangle. We should repeat this step one more time. Next, we should fold the paper into triangles. When you folded the triangle once, unfold and do it again. Then, tuck the eyes of the cat inwards to make a triangle. The mouth, feet, and tail of the cat should now be facing you. You're doing so well! Next, we're going to fold the corners of the triangle towards the cat's mouth. Flip the piece of paper over and do it again. We should now see a diamond shape. Find the thin triangular lines and fold them over twice to see the cat's pink ears. Next, we're going to flip over the triangles to see the eyes of the cat. On both sides of the triangle, fold those lines inward towards the center. We should now see a hexagon shape. We're almost there, everyone. Our final step is to blow air into the small hole. Now we have an origami cat to give to our friend Mr. Alien.
Now you have a cat too.
I will name him George, and I will pet him and squeeze him and squeeze him.
Ooh, you can make other animals too.
If you would like to make a house for your origami friends, follow the instructions in the manual. See you next time! We are Gyeonggi Future Education Campus in Paju. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more educational content.